Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again with another unboxing video. This time I have a new laptop. It is Lenovo Yoga 7 Evo laptop, and it has 14 inches screen, 1 terabyte hard disk and 32 GB RAM and i7 fast processor. Let me show you how good is the laptop. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Let me show you the key feature of this laptop. And if you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let me show you what is inside this box and how cool is the laptop. And this is the power adapter, and it has a type C charging cable. And this is the beautifully packed laptop. So this was pretty much inside the box. It has a Lenovo user guide, as you can see that Lenovo Yoga, and this is the laptop, and plus this is the power adapter, and it has a touch pen also, because it's a two-in-one laptop. Plus it is the stand for the pen. And now let's see the laptop. This is the gray color Yoga, and this is Lenovo 14-inch display, and you can see that. So this is the privacy shutter it has, and this is a touch screen and two-in-one. So this laptop has a few different modes, so you can use as a notebook mode or stand mode and tent mode and tablet mode. So different way to use this beautiful laptop. So on the right side of the laptop, it has a USB connector here, and this is a SD card reader, and plus this is the power button. And on the left side, it has a HDMI connection, and plus two type C USB point, and this is for the audio jack. This is the way you can put up the pen. Also attach this to the side of the laptop so that it is not misplaced. This laptop weighing 1.49 kilo and with the 14 inches 2.8 resolution OLED display screen, comes with a 16 core processor i7 and 1 terabyte storage, 32 GB RAM, and this is currently in the market for $2,499 at JB Hi-Fi, and it was special on Black Friday for $1,800 just for 1 week only, and the price has gone up again, and it comes with the 1-year warranty. So if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer, and thanks for watching this video.